Today, I'm presenting the Sydney Airport Master Plan 2039. This document is more than just a construction schedule. It presents the strategic direction for Australia's premier international gateway for the next 20 years. As we move through this presentation, we will explore how Sydney Airport plans to balance substantial aviation growth with economic responsibility, operation efficiency, and environmental sustainability. Let's begin with our proposed ambition. The master plan serves a dual role. Firstly, it satisfies the statutory requirement of the Airport Act 1996. But more importantly, it sets a strategic roadmap for development from 2019 through 2039. Our vision is clear: to deliver a world-class airport experience and foster the growth of aviation for the benefit of Sydney, NSW, and Australia. To achieve this, we are guided by four key objectives: enhance safety and security, improving efficiency to maximize capacity, embedding sustainability into every decision we make, and critically improving ground access to our passengers. To understand where we are going, we must understand our baseline. As of 2017, Sydney Airport served 43.3 million passengers annually, contending to over 100 destinations. The airport is a massive economic engine. It generates $38 billion in economic activity annually. That represents nearly 7% of the New South Wales economy. Furthermore, it facilitates over 338,000 jobs. Strategically, this plan is not development in isolation. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with the new Western Sydney Airport, open in late 2026, and align with broader state transport strategies. Building on that foundation, let's look at our sustainability strategy. We are proud to have achieved a 4-star Green Star Communities rating from the Green Building Council of Australia. Our core principles revolve around responsible growth. This means balancing our social and environmental needs with operational goals. We are embedding sustainability directly into our terminal, airfield, and transport plan, with a shared focus on energy efficiency, water conservation, and climate change resilience. So, what is driving the need for this master plan? It is passenger growth. We forecast total passengers to grow by 51%, rising from 43.3 million in 2017 to 65.6 million by 2039. The primary driver here is international traffic, which is expected to nearly double. By 2039, the passenger mix will shift, with an almost even split of 48% international and 52% domestic travelers. Now, you may assume that a 51% increase in passengers means 51% more planes. However, that is not the case. We forecast aircraft movement to grow by only 17% to roughly 408,000 movement. This efficiency is due to upgauging airlines using larger aircraft and higher seat density. Additionally, air freight is forecast to grow by 58% to 1.0 million tons. Since 80% of this freight is carried in the belly of passengers aircraft, our terminal and airfront plan is critical to supporting this logistic chain. To accommodate this growth, we have divided the airport into key sectors. Our operational strategy involves continuing to develop the northwest sector for the T1 international precinct. Simultaneously, we will transform the northeast sector into an integrated operations precinct for T1 and T3, handling international, domestic, and regional flights. Crucially, we aim to maximize the airfield efficiency without changing current queue fees or flight cap. Let's drill down into the terminal development plan. At T1 International Precinct, we are expanding processing area and upgrading baggage system to improve flow. At the T2 and T3 Integrated Precinct, we are introducing swing gates. These are flexible gates that can switch between domestic and international use depending on daily demand. We are also introducing significant new infrastructure, including a satellite pier in the southwest sector, adding 17 new contact stands to ensure fewer passengers have to board via buses. Regarding to the airfield, I want to be clear: there are no new runway planned yet. The existing 3 runways are sufficient. Instead, we are focusing on efficiency. We will implement taxiway improvement to reduce taxi time and improve safety. We are also adding new remote parking stands across the northeast, southeast, and southwest sector to park aircraft during off-peak time. Additionally, a new air traffic control tower will be constructed in the southeast sector. Beyond aviation, the airport is a commercial hub. Our plans support the local economy by developing up to 100,000 square meters of hotel and office space in both the northwest and northeast sector. This includes a new 430 new room hotel. We are also dedicating significant space in southeast and northern land sector for freight and logistics facility. to support that 58% growth in cargo I mentioned earlier. One of the biggest challenges for any major airport is ground transport. We are facing increasing pressure on road network. Our plan aligns with major projects like Western Connect and Sydney Gateway. Our key goals to reduce traffic conflicts and significantly improve access to public transport and active transport options like walking and cycling. For T1 International Precinct, our 5-year plan includes widening Airport Drive to 4 lines to handle volume. We are also constructing a new integrated pickup and drop-off facility at the P-Bar car park to streamline vehicle flow and improving the exit ramp to Marsh Street. Over at the T2 and T3 precinct, the changes are even more significant. We are planning a ground transport interchange for buses and cars. Crucially, we are adding a flyover, a dedicated access road from Quinta Drive directly into the terminal area, bypass local traffic. We are also redeveloping the P1 car park to better accommodate rail taxis and rideshare service. Supporting all of this is our utility network. We focus on reliability and redundancy. We plan to upgrade key electrical feed and install solar power. We are increasing our recycled water treatment capacity and improve trunk drainage to handle storm events. These are the essentials behind the scenes upgrades that keep airport running. We recognize our responsibility to the community. Our environmental strategy focuses on climate change mitigation and biodiversity. Regarding aircraft noise, there is no change to the curfew and no change to the movement cap for 80 flights per hour. We continue to support the long-term operating plan for noise sharing and are actively encouraging airlines to use next-generation, quieter aircraft like the A350 and Dreamliner. Safety remains our top priority. We are implementing a security by design principle, utilizing new technologies for border control and baggage screening. We also strictly adhere to the National Airport Safeguarding Framework. This ensures we protect the airspace from obstacles like tall buildings and cranes, and manage noise-sensitive development near the airport boundary. How do we deliver this? Through a flexible implementation strategy. Projects are delivering stage based on demand triggers, not just arbitrary date. This allows us to adapt to changing economic conditions and aviation technologies. We will continue ongoing consultation with airlines, the government, and in conclusion, Master Plan 2039 is a comprehensive strategy to prepare Sydney Airport for 65.6 million passengers. It strikes a vital balance between necessary economic growth and environmental responsibility.